everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I have a Kroger advertised deals video for you, and it's been a little while since I've done one of these, but basically what this is I've taken the ad and I've matched up all of the sales and coupons and everything I could find for you at Kroger. And all of this is going to start on Wednesday, March 16th. It will go through at least the 22nd. This is probably going to be a 2-week sale, so possibly beyond that for another week. But there's lots of pretty good deals here. I have a couple of maybe freebies here. I have at least one freebie and moneymaker and one maybe freebie. I'll show you when we get closer to that one there. So before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. And let's check out what is going to be happening at Kroger starting on the 16th. So one of the very first things at the very top on the front of the ad, they have this new 2 times the fuel points when you purchase your, products and groceries and stuff at Kroger through March 16th through the 29th. So you want to make sure as soon as you wake up on the 16th that you download this digital coupon, because as we all know, we need to save some money on some gas. So this is really awesome. You're just going to do your normal shopping and you're going to get 2 times the fuel points for all the money that you spend. So this is a really, really great deal. So make sure you do download this digital coupon so that you can accrue those points to save you more money at the gas pump. All right, let's first start out with digital coupons. So let me explain a little bit about digital coupons. These can be kind of confusing. So these are store coupons. They're 5-time digital coupons that are store coupons. So that basically means you can buy up to 5 of these items, or if it's like $1 off 2, you could buy up to 10 of these items and do it in the same transaction, and you're going to get that amount off of each item up to 5 times. Now, the thing about these digital coupons is they do not disappear. So they will stay on your card for the full 2-week sale. And you can use them transaction after transaction. You just need to make sure you split your transactions if you have more than 5 items. So a lot of times we have like really good deals. For instance, that sour cream, cottage cheese, those types of things for 99 cents is a really, really great deal. Let's say for some reason you want to buy, 6 of them. All you have to do is just split your transaction up. You can do 5 and 1, you can do 4 and 2, however you want to do it. You don't have to buy multiples of 5 or anything like that. So, and the cool thing about it being a store coupon is that you can pair it with manufacturer coupons as well as rebate apps. So, and I know that it can be debatable at times because some stores will not take your coupons, but I will show you even digitals will come off with the 5-time digital coupon. So they do work together. All right, let's check out what's going on. All right, so let's look at this very first deal here. It's going to give you an instance where you can use a store and a manufacturer digital together. So General Mills cereals are regularly priced $3.99. They are on sale for $2.79. And then when you use the $1 off 1 5-time digital store coupon, you can pair that with a $1 off 2 digital coupon and out of pocket pay $1.29 each for 2 of them. Now, at that point, you want to make sure you submit your receipt to Fetch. They have got a lot of different things going on as far as ways to get this money back. Now, there's 1,000 points when you spend $5. There's 2,000 points when you spend 10, and there's 4,000 points when you spend 20. Do take note, though, of some of the expiration dates. So the 5 and 10, you have until the end of the month. However, the 4,000 points when you spend 20 is expiring on the 16th. So if you are, like me, I have been working on it. I'm only a few dollars away. I want to make sure that I grab a couple cereals to get that 4,000 points. Now, the reason why I put final cost ? Is because I don't know where you're at in your progress here, how you will hit that, and when you will hit that particular cost to get these Fetch points. So it's going to vary from account to account for you. So that's why I put ? All right, next deal we have is the Kraft American Cheese 16 count, regularly priced $4.19, on sale for $3.99, 50 cent off 1 5-time digital coupon. So out of pocket, you're going to pay $3.49. And then you can submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on one. It's a limit of 5 times, so you could actually grab up to 5 of these for $2.99. I will tell you the price has gone up significantly since the last time we had this digital coupon. So the last time we had this digital coupon, these 16 counts were $2.49. And now they're $3 whole more. And so we were actually getting them for $1.99 with the Ibotta rebate. So just take that into consideration that this one is quite high. All right, next deal is the Chobani oat milk 52 ounce. This is regularly priced $4.79. It's on sale for $3.49. There is $1 off one 5-time digital coupon. Use that and pair it with $1 off one in Smart Source $2.27. So out of pocket, you're going to pay $1.49. So this is where it gets really cool. You're going to then submit it to Ibotta for 2 back on 1. It is a limit of 1 time. So you can grab one of these for completely free and make 51 cents. So excited about finding this deal super early. Next deal is the Colgate toothpaste. Now these are regularly priced $3.99, on sale for $2.99. We know the $1 off one 5-time digital coupon is going to attach. There is also a 4 off 2 digital coupon. It expires on the 19th. If those two work together, it will be free. And the reason why I put maybe is because a lot of times when you get something completely free, these digitals will kick one off than the other. Okay, so I haven't obviously tried this deal yet to know if it would work. In fact, I think I've used my 4 off 2 coupons. I don't know that I'm going to be able to do this one for you to test it out. So anyway, needless to say, it may or may not work. You may be able to grab 2 of these toothpaste for free. I guess we will find out Wednesday. If you want to attempt this deal, please let me know in the comments if you do and what happened for you. But what you could do is just, go to self-checkout, make sure they both come off. If they don't, feel free to show your cashier and maybe they'll fix it for you, or just ask them to take the toothpaste off at that point if you're not getting them for free. But hopefully it works and you get 2 for free. Now also note that we do have $1 off one coming on Sunday the 20th. So we will have another chance to grab these toothpaste for just 99 cents after that. But yeah, I don't buy toothpaste unless it's free. So I'd love to know if this is free. Okay, next deal is the Noosa yogurt 4 count or the 24 ounce. Now these are regularly priced $4.49, on sale for $3.99, and we have $1 off one 5-time digital coupon. So out of pocket, pay $2.99. Then you can submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back on one. It's a limit of 3 times. You can grab up to 3 of these for $2.74 each. Not a huge savings with that Ibotta, but if you eat this stuff anyway, or you're working on any kind of bonus, you may want to throw this deal in the mix. All right, another deal here is the Chobani Zero Sugar Yogurt. Now, here's the thing. You do have to buy 10 Chobani yogurts. You need to have at least 3 of those as the zero sugar yogurt in order for this deal to work. And you could then put the other Chobani yogurts, mix or match them. Just make sure 3 of them are the zero sugar. So these are regularly priced $1.49. They're on sale for $1 each, and we have a 2 off 10 5-time digital coupon. So when you grab 10 of them, you're going to pay $8 out of pocket. But then Ibotta has a rebate for 75 cents back on 3. It's a limit of 1 time. Final cost is $7.25 total, or just 72 cents each, which is a pretty good deal on this yogurt. All right, Eggland's Best cage-free eggs are regularly priced $3.99. There is $1 off one 5-time digital coupon and a 50 cent off one coupon and save one too. So you could grab these for $2.49 each. Now I will tell you there is going to be a better deal a little bit later. It's not with the cage-free eggs, but it is with Eggland's Best eggs. And if you want to use these coupons on that product, I'm going to show you how it's going to be a really amazing deal. So it's up to you. You may be very specific that you need it to be the cage-free, and therefore you can have this deal. All right, the Boston Market frozen entrees this week are regularly priced $3.19, but they're on sale for $2.49 each, and we have a 50 cent off one 5-time digital coupon. On top of that, we have a 75 cent off one printable coupon. Now this is from the Boston Market website. I will have it linked in the description box below for you so that you can print it if you'd like. Final cost is going to be just $1.24 each. And yeah, I think I may grab, if I can get these coupons to print, I may grab a couple of them for my dad, because I get him a bunch of frozen meals. I usually do the banquet stuff because it tends to be a little bit on the cheaper side, but this one is pretty reasonable to the ones I buy with banquet. So this is a much, it'll be something different for him at least. Alright guys, so that's all of the 5-time digital matchups that I have for you. Of course, we will see more on Wednesday, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel so that way you can get that must-do deals video when it comes out on Wednesday. But let's talk about some Kroger deals that are going on as well, and there's quite a few really good ones I'm excited about. Okay, so this one is the first one that I'm excited about. Now, if you remember a few weeks ago, like it was around the Super Bowl time, we had a deal very similar to this. It was buy the Velveeta brick cheese, 32 ounce, and then you got a Mission tortilla chips and 2 of the Rotel, tomatoes for free, that type of thing. This one's slightly different. It's for Hormel chili and the Mission tortilla. So what you want to do is you want to grab one of the Velveeta brick cheese, the 32 ounce that's regularly priced $8.99. Then you also want to grab one of the Hormel chili no beans, 15 ounce, that's regular priced $2.49. And then lastly, grab one of the Mission tortillas that's regularly priced $3.29. That's going to make your total $14.77 if you put them all together. However, we've got a better deal. Now, there is a sale price for the Velveeta cheese of $7.49, but it is buy the cheese, get the chili and chips for free. So you're only going to be paying for $7.49 for that Velveeta cheese, or basically if you split it into 3, it's $2.50 each. Really, really great deal here, and yeah, I'm definitely grabbing this. All right, next deal we have is the Mountain Dew Spark 12-count can packs here. You want to grab 3 of them for this deal. Now, they're regularly priced $6.49, but they are 3 for $12.88 when you buy 3. So you do have to buy 3 to get that lower price. Out of pocket, you are going to pay the $12.88, but Ibotta has a rebate for 2 back on 1. It's a limit of 5 times, so you get $6 back. Final cost, $6.88 total, or just $2.29 each, which is a really great deal. My husband and I absolutely love the Mountain Dew Zero Spark. I do not like Mountain Dew. So if you're like me and you do not care for Mountain Dew, this is actually good. And my husband, he likes Mountain Dew, but I don't like Mountain Dew. But this is like a raspberry kind of lemonade taste to it. It's really, really good. So I highly recommend the Spark, and it's going to make for a great price, $2.29 for 3 packs. All right, so we have a deal on the Tantillo Reserve Pasta Sauce. Tantillo? I don't know. Somebody I know will correct me in the comments. All right, grab 2 of them for this deal. Now, they're regularly priced $5.99, but the sale price is buy one, get one. No coupons needed. Your final cost is going to be $5.99 total for 2 of them, or just $3 each, which I thought was a pretty decent deal for a $6 pasta sauce. So let me know in the comments if this is the kind of pasta sauce you get. I'm wondering why it's quite, so expensive. I wonder if it's like low carb or something like that. I'm definitely going to check it out, because if it is, it's a good price for that, but we'll see. Okay, next deal here, you want to grab 2 of the Thomas Cinnamon Protein English Muffins 6-count. Now, these are regularly priced $3.39. And you also want to grab one of the Kroger large eggs 12-count that's regularly priced at $1.79. Now, the sale price for the Thomas is $3.29, so just 10 cents off. You want to grab, or you want to pay for 2 of those, $6.58, because the sale or the deal is buy 2 Thomas English muffins, get the Kroger large eggs for free. All right, so after you pay $6.58, then you can submit to Ibotta for $1.25 back on 1. It is a limit of 1 time, unfortunately. And then Kroger cashback as well for 75 cents back on 1. Final cost is going to be $4.58 total, or $1.53 each. All right, here is another really great deal that is happening, and I happen to put together a scenario for you. So this week at Kroger, it's a spend $40 on these like cleaning supplies, things like that, household needs, that type of thing. you're going to save $10 instantly. And of course, you can mix and match the participating items to get up to $40. So this one I just happened to throw together for you. Obviously, if it's not products that you're going to use, you want to put together a deal that works best for you. If you do put a deal together, please let me know in the comments what your particular deal is. I would love to hear it. Of course, we may have some more products that are participating after Wednesday. Maybe we'll learn of some other ones that might make for a better deal. But the deal I put together is grab one of the Viva paper towel 12 count. These are regularly priced $18.49 but on sale for $16.99. Then grab one of the Cottonelle bath tissue 18 mega rolls. These are regularly priced $17.99 on sale for $16.99. And grab two of the Microban multi-purpose cleaners. These are regularly priced $4.49 but they're on sale for $3.99 this week. That's going to take your total to $41.96. So we're going to get that $10 off instantly. Then make sure you have loaded the $1 off one Viva digital coupon, as well as the $1 off one Cottonelle digital coupon. And then you can use two of the $1 off one coupons from the P&G 227 for the Microband. Your final cost is going to be $27.96 total. And to make it make sense with the higher price of the paper towels and bath tissue, I kind of split it up as $13.98 each for the Viva and the Cottonelle, and then you get two free Microban products. Obviously, you could split it into four, which would be make the paper towels and bath tissue quite cheap, but make that Microband very expensive. So that's why I did it this way. You can think of it however you would like to think of it. So again, let me know in the comments if you come up with a better scenario. Alright guys, we have the 5-time weekly digital deals that are happening as of right now. We don't know if there's any extras. Of course, on Wednesday, we may see one or two pop up as new deals. And yeah, so CPAC, I know somebody in my comments of my ad preview video said something about a printable CPAC. So I did look up that coupon. It no longer prints. It's an old coupon. So unfortunately, we don't have a CPAC coupon, at least not one I could find. If you do find one, please let me know. Leave it in the comments below, and I will go check that out. But there's other really great deals happening. The cheese is really good. I love the cheese deal. I'm going to stock up on that. I really want to try the kiwi. I'm probably going to only get one of those, but I think I like kiwi, and my family would like it if we, and I hardly ever get kiwi. So I'm going to grab one of those, and we're going to have kiwi one night. The bath tissue down there for $3.97 is actually a really good deal. I like that deal as well. And we have one coupon matchup for you. All right, so this is the Eggland's Best Eggs deal that I was hinting at from the earlier slide. So what you want to do is grab these, the large A 12 count. Now they're regularly priced $3.19. They are on sale this week for $2.99, but load that 5-time weekly digital coupon, and they're going to be $1.47 each, which is a really great deal. We also have 50% off one coupons and save one too. Hopefully you still have those coupons. They're from a long time ago. So your final cost is going to be just 97 cents each. That's a really great price for these Eggland's Best Eggs. I've never seen them this low that I can remember. So definitely want to stock up on these eggs. Even if you don't have that 50% off one coupon, $1.47 for these eggs is pretty good. But this seems like we're getting a lot of egg deals here. So you could get those free eggs with the Thomas muffins, or you can, get those cage-free eggs for Eggland's Best if you prefer those. But this is a really great deal for these particular eggs. Okay guys, that's all I have for the advertised deals. Of course, make sure you're subscribed because I will be putting out a must-do deals video on Wednesday, and there's probably going to be a whole bunch of other deals I can't see just yet because we don't have everything out there. Go to the description box below and make sure you are a part of my Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter life down there, and have a wonderful week. I will see you later. Bye guys.